Hello everybody, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use the AI text and voice generation toolkit in your Unity projects. This video is specifically going to be covering speech to text editor window. So the first thing you guys are going to need to do is import the plugin into your Unity project. Then open up the plugins, text and voice generation toolkit, and double click the Azure Speech to import the Azure Speech part of the package. Now you guys are going to need to set up an Azure Speech resource. If you guys do not know how to do that, there's a link in the description that will show you how to do that. And once you guys have done that, you guys just need to go into the config folder, Azure Speech default values, and make sure this region is set to the same region as your Azure Speech resource. If it's not, then you will get an error because the link is incorrect. So now what you're going to need to do is go to Tools, Text and Voice Generation Toolkit, Azure Speech, get text from speech. It opens up this tiny little editor window, but you can resize it to be however big you like. Now what you're going to need to do is choose the microphone that you want to be speaking into. For me, I have all these microphones, but I'm going to go ahead and just click on my microphone that I'm using currently to record. Then you're going to need to choose the language that you are speaking in. So for me, I'm going to be speaking in English. So I'm going to use my arrow keys to navigate this and find ENUS right here. Now this right here, the microphone button right here, will start recording and stop recording. Play audio will play the audio that I recorded. Get text will get the text from the audio. Now this is where the audio will show, and this is where the console will show everything in the console. So now I'm going to go ahead and click this button right here to start generating the audio. Hello, I think the text and voice generation toolkit is really cool. Then I'm going to stop it, and it says recording has stopped. And now I'm going to click play. But before I click play, I'm going to tell you guys something. So for getting this audio clip, I'm having to add audio clips together, merging them together. And so the merging them together kind of doesn't work perfectly. It still has some flaws, and in between the two audio clips, there's a little bit of noise. So you guys will hear that, but the AI doesn't care. It doesn't affect the AI. So I'm going to go ahead and click play audio. Hello, I think the text and voice generation toolkit is really cool. Now you guys heard that noise right there? I do not know how to fix it. If you guys do, you guys can tell me, but I do not know how to fix it. It's in there right now, but it'll be fine. It does not affect the AI, as I said. Now you just need to click get text, and it will get what you said. Please wait for Azure to respond. Hello, I think text and voice energy is really cool. That's what I think I said, but that's not what I said. So if it doesn't say what you think, if it doesn't say what you said, you guys can just record it and try to speak more clearly. Hello, I think text and voice generation toolkit is really cool. And I'm going to click get text. Hello, I think text and voice generation tweet is really. So did not catch the cool there. So it's a little bit odd on how the AI works and everything, but this will work. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, you guys can leave it in the comments, and I will try my best to answer them all.